Look at the time. It is ticking away. You are waiting for something to happen. Maybe you are waiting for a miracle, or maybe you are waiting for a person to help you. But you must understand one thing right now. No one is coming. We watch movies where a hero comes. The hero saves the day at the last moment. But real life is not a movie. In real life, you can sit and wait forever. The world will keep moving without you. The hero you want is not out there. Are you waiting for a text message? Are you waiting for an email that changes your life? Stop waiting. Your friends are busy with their own lives. Your family has their own problems. They cannot carry your burden for you. You are alone in this fight. This sounds scary. It sounds sad to be alone. But this is actually a good thing. Once you realize that nobody is coming, so you stop looking outside. You stop hoping for luck. You start looking at the only person who can help you. You start looking at yourself. The person in the mirror is the problem, but the person in the mirror is also the solution. You have caused your own pain. You made the bad choices, but because you made the mess, you have the power to clean it up. It is all in your hands. It is easy to blame your parents. It is easy to blame your boss or your bad luck. When you blame others, you feel better for a moment. But blaming others does not fix your life. It keeps you weak. It keeps you exactly where you are. You say you are tired. You say you do not have time. These are just lies you tell yourself. You have time to watch TV. You have time to look at social media. The truth is painful. You are not busy. You are just distracted. The past is heavy. Maybe people hurt you before. Maybe you had a difficult childhood. That is terrible, and I am sorry. But carrying that pain today is your choice. The world does not care about your sad story. The world only cares about what you do today. Every day you have a choice. You can choose the easy way. The easy way is to complain and wait. Or you can choose the hard way. The hard way is to accept responsibility. It means saying, "This is my life, and I will fix it." Choose the hard way. Drop the heavy weight of the past. It is useless now. Forgive the people who hurt you, not because they deserve it, but because you need to be free. When you stop blaming them, you take your power back. You become the captain of your own ship. Your comfort zone is a beautiful place. It is warm and safe, but nothing grows there. Comfort is a cage. It keeps you small. If you are always comfortable, you are dying slowly. You need to step out into the cold. You need to feel the struggle. You say you will start tomorrow. You said that last week. You said that last year. Tomorrow is a fake place. It does not exist. There is only today. There's only right now. If you do not start now, you will never start. Do not fool yourself. You are afraid to fail. You think, what if I try and it does not work? So you do nothing. But doing nothing is the biggest failure of all. It is better to try and fall down than to never stand up. Failure is just a lesson. It is not the end. Stop looking at other people. Stop looking at their money or their happiness. You do not know their story. You do not know how hard they worked. Comparison is a thief. It steals your joy. Focus on your own path. Focus on your own 2 feet. Nobody will give you permission to succeed. You have to take it. You have to break the chains of your lazy habits. It will hurt. It will be uncomfortable. But this pain is the price of freedom. Pay the price. Get up and move. You do not need motivation. Motivation is a feeling. Feelings change like the weather. Today you are happy, tomorrow you are sad. You need discipline. Discipline means doing the work even when you are tired. Discipline means doing it when you do not want to. Your body wants to rest. Your mind wants to play. You must be the master of your body and mind. When your brain says stop, you say go. This is how you build strength. It is a battle against your own weakness, and you must win every single day. You might have to say no to your friends. You might have to miss the party. People will call you boring. Let them talk. They are choosing the present moment. You are choosing your future. Sacrifice is necessary. You cannot have everything at once. Make a plan. A dream without a plan is just a wish. Write down exactly what you want. Write down how you will get it. When you have a plan, you stop drifting. You become a missile with a target. You know exactly where you are going. Life will hit you hard. There will be storms. There will be days when everything goes wrong. On those days, you must keep walking. Do not stop. Even small steps are progress. Just do not stop moving forward. Resilience is your weapon. Success does not happen overnight. It is like planting a tree. You water it today, but you see nothing. You water it tomorrow, and you see nothing. But under the ground, roots are growing. You must trust the process. You must have patience. You have to fall in love with boring work. The work that no one sees. The early mornings and late nights. This is where the magic happens. Everyone wants the trophy, but no one wants the training. Be the person who loves the training. Learn to be alone with your thoughts. In silence, you find out who you really are. Most people are scared of silence. They fill it with noise and music. But you need silence to hear your own voice. You need silence to find your purpose. Discipline is the art of saying no. No to bad food, no to lazy friends, no to wasting time. Every time you say no to something bad, you are saying yes to your future self. It is a trade. You trade cheap pleasure for long-term success. Eventually you will see results. But do not get arrogant. The moment you stop working is the moment you start dying. Success is not a destination. It is a lifestyle. You have to rent your success every single day. The rent is due every morning. When you save yourself, you become strong. And when you are strong, you can help others. You cannot pour water from an empty cup. Fill your own cup first. Fix your own life first. Then, you can be a light for other people in the dark. Be proud of your scars. Be proud of your rough hands. They are proof that you tried. They are proof that you did not just sit and wait. A life without struggle is a life without meaning. Embrace the hard work. It is making you into a diamond. The hard path is lonely at the beginning, but it is crowded at the bottom. At the top of the mountain, there is plenty of space. The view is beautiful, but you had to climb to see it. Nobody can carry you up the mountain. You must climb. Time is still moving, but now you are moving with it. You are not waiting anymore. You are acting. You are using your time, not wasting it. This feeling is power. This feeling is control. You are no longer a victim of your life. There is a new version of you waiting behind the door, a stronger, smarter, and happier version, but you have to walk through the fire to meet him. Are you willing to burn your old self? Are you willing to let the lazy version of you die? You need to be like a rock. The ocean waves crash against the rock, but the rock does not move. People will criticize you. Problems will hit you. Be the rock. Stay grounded in your purpose. Do not let the chaos of the world move you. Feed your mind. Your mind is a garden. If you do not plant flowers, weeds will grow. Read books. Listen to smart people. Learn new skills. If you stop learning, you stop growing. You must be a student of life until the day you die. At the end of the day, you are all you have. When everyone leaves, you are left with yourself. Make sure you like the person you are. Make sure you respect the person you see in the mirror. If you respect yourself, it does not matter if others do not. Consistency is the key. Being great once is easy. Being great every day is hard. But small actions add up. 1 coin is not much money, but 1,000 coins is a fortune. Keep adding to your jar of discipline. One day, you will be rich in character. The journey is long, you will get tired, but imagine the view from the top. Imagine the feeling of pride. Imagine looking back and saying, I did that. I saved myself. That feeling is worth every drop of sweat and every tear. So, what will you do now? Will you close this video and go back to sleep? Will you go back to waiting? Or will you finally stand up? The door is open. The path is ready. But you have to take the first step. I cannot save you. Your parents cannot save you. The government cannot save you. Stop looking for a savior. You are the savior. You are the only person who can change your reality. Accept this truth and you will be free. It is time to grow up. It is time to take responsibility. It is time to become the person you were meant to be. Do not waste another second. Your life is happening right now. Grab it with both hands and never let go. Build your body. Build your mind. Build your bank account. Build your character. Do it for yourself. Do it because you love yourself enough to demand the best. You are a project that is never finished. Keep building until the end. Stand up now. Look in the mirror one last time. The person looking back at you is the only one who is coming. Do not wait for tomorrow. Do not wait for help. You are the hero. Go and save yourself.